Saxons coming over. Here at Rhyd Ddu. You can pause that if you want to read it. Lovely little old building perched here on the top of the beginning of the walkway. You can see on the left side there, coming into view now, the railway track, and I can just hear in the wind the train blowing its horn. There's a steam train. Lovely. Beautiful view. Lights and shadows across these mountains. That's the Nantle ridge over in there. Lovely little section here. We're going further on, sort of up there towards a few little quarry. Yeah, how lovely. You can see right the way through there. Very good. Richard's just walking over, but here is a pit which is remnants of what must have been a water wheel, with the pit that shape, and of course, as you can see just down there, a stream. Interesting. Pity the wheel wasn't here though, eh? That tunnel you saw before went through to another one of these pits, and in the corner of that pit was just leading to this pit. And as you can see, you've got a nice little bit of waterfall coming into here. Can't go too close to the edge. Very pretty though. Look at the colours on that rock there. You turn around, yeah, the hole would be sort of down there coming through to this pit. Beautiful up here. Quite windy though, as you can imagine. Look at this old cart, quite intricate details on it. You see Richard in the background, he's doing a bit of a video as well. We're not going to be putting them out at the same time, so there's an incline up on the hill, which we'll go and have a look at now. Here we are. I remember being here a good few years back and it was covered in snow. I took a shot from behind me looking at this drum house or whatever it was, with the mountains in the background, quite isolated. But it was a winter wonderland because it was a blue sunny day but with snow. And there's Richard coming up the path down there. I made a mistake earlier. This was the incline that I took the shot from previously in that winter wonderland, because the slabs in front of us here are flat and there was a rail line underneath there through the snow I should say. Nice little lake here, whatever you want to call it, and another one you can just see down there. Very windy. Anyway, I don't know how much more we're going to do. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if smashing. Thank you very much. Hope you can join us next time. Woo. Oh, look at that for a view. And that down there is a Watkin Path, and we've photographed them waterfalls before now, which are down the other side. Told a lie when I said I'd finish. This one definitely has. Thanks for watching. Hope you can join us next time. See you now.